Hello to all my existing and new subscribers. I just want to tell you a secret. Noel Kitchen Cooking Prep is back in full speed to bring cooking guidance to your family and friends. I share recipes that can really help busy professionals who does not have 2 or 3 hours to prepare quality meals. Once you try our recipes, please let me know the outcome. Remember, you can add additional spices of your choice. For example, if you like hot and spicy food, please add your own spice. I love and respect that you are adding your cooking talents to our recipes. It's important to know how to prepare your own food, because it's all about you. Please subscribe, share, and comment, so I can bring more recipes to you and your family. Our contact information is below. I like to read your comments. When you subscribe to our channel, you will receive our weekly videos. Thank you for your support.